Okay, let's see if we can use a Venn diagram to conceptualize our understanding of an atom and what's inside it. First of all, it's probably worth outlining that we need to know about the three different types of subatomic particle. We have protons, neutrons, and electrons. And to distinguish between them, the best way is normally to describe something about their relative mass and their relative charge. And whenever we see the term relative, we're kind of ignoring units. We are simply comparing the values of each in comparison to the other, or relative to the others. So a proton, for example, will have a relative mass of 1 and a charge, or a relative charge, of +1. Neutrons, a relative mass of 1 as well, so about the same as a proton, and a relative charge of 0. They are neutral. And finally, electrons have a relative mass of effectively 0. In reality, it's slightly more than 0, but in comparison to protons and neutrons, we can kind of ignore that value, and has a charge of -1. So let's just consider where these subatomic particles are actually found in the atom. So first of all, we should know that in the middle of the atom is a dense, positively charged area called the nucleus. And inside that nucleus we find two of our subatomic particles, firstly protons and secondly neutrons. And because these two particles are both found in the nucleus, they can collectively be known as nucleons, also a useful word to know. And then finally, outside of the nucleus, in the space around it, we find electrons. And that's pretty much it for the basic structure of an atom. Hopefully this video is of some help.